This is a Ram 2021 5.7 liter Hemi. We did a muffler delete on it yesterday. Then he brought it back today. He said it's too quiet still. He wants as much noise as he can, which that's my kind of guy. There's the converters again, there and there. Then it winds into a single, then 3.5 inch all the way back. Then we did a 3-inch muffler delete because that's the biggest we can bend. Then it winds out into 2-inch tailpipes on each side. And we did 2.25 resonator deletes. There and there. And there's the resonators that we cut off right there. So everything else looks the same. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do a resonator and a muffler delete. So it's basically straight pipe now, all the way back from the cat's back. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it. 13 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. God, what color is this? What do we call this? Burnt copper or burnt orange. There's probably a name for it. Let us know in the comments what the true name of it is. Anyways, factory converters, there and there. And then as you guys can see, true dual all the way back. And we did it in 2-inch. He wanted it as loud as possible. He lives in the country and he wants to compete with everybody else out there. So we did 2-inch all the way back. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there, and put some 5-inch roll tips, our signature roll tips by 18s. There's the 2 resonators there and there, and the 2 tips. And then there's where it winds into a single right there. And as you guys can see, you always want to try to true dual them because there is no breathing out of it. It's really restricted. And it had a Flowmaster Super Tin on it. We took it off too. It's a knockoff. Wasn't even a real Super Tin. There it is, 3-inch pipe. That's what it looks like after. A lot sexier, a lot nicer. Let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. We really need you guys to hit that subscribe button so we can grow and
yeah, it's got a 2019 Ram 1500, the 5.7 Hemi in it. We true dualed it. So factory converter there and there. Then we did our true dual right there. Cut out the factory Y pipe. Ran it with a 2.25 all the way out, and then connected it to his pre-existing tailpipes right there. And then he already had some, I think they're Carven black 5-inch tips that he had on it. Cleaned it back up and got it nicely.
2015 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Got sexy wheels all the way from Knoxville, guys, or Maryville, which is about 3 hours from here. He saw our channel and he's like, I gotta bring it down to the boys. So we hooked them up. Let me show you what we did. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then usually winds out over here. We cut it out and crossed them over, equalized the length a little bit, and true dualed it with 2.25 pipe all the way back. Reuse his tailpipes to save some money. Then we did a resonator delete on each side also, and put them some fat 6-inch tips to complete the look. I'm gonna act like I don't see those. Right there and right there. All right, guys. There's the 2 resonators and tailpipes that were on it. There's the midsection right there. 2 outlets, and that's where it was widened into one on this side. I think this looks a lot better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. 6-inch tips, stainless steel by 18s. Stay tuned. Oh, much better. Well, I know from now on, everybody that brings them in, I'll just tell them to do all of it. Yeah. That sounds good. Hemi. Again? stop. Go ahead. Nice idle to it too.
Pipe. And I peaked at 113. Nice and loud.
Stay tuned. Ram Bighorn. True duels. What do you think? Yeah? You like it? Yeah. Stay up. Wow, look at that crackle. That's awesome. It's so loud. I love it. Here's the decibel. 113. I think it's about 118 to be honest with you. 114. I'm losing my hearing more and more, man. My ears are itching.
Oh yeah.
It's got a really nice idle to it too. Ram, ram, ram. A little bit. So loud. Enjoy, guys. Heavy power.
Guys ain't getting these.
True dual 6-inch dips. Back to it's so loud.